How to turn off Microsoft Family Safety. Available on Windows 10 and 11. So if you want to actually turn off the Microsoft Family Safety on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, then this video is for you. So I have in here this help article from Microsoft themselves showing us how to disable these family settings. So if on the child account settings, you can see the option for the manage family settings online. Just need to click on that link. If you're actually not on that, you can head over to the family option on your section and you can see it right there. You should be able to open the account settings on the web browser. So from in there, just go to the family settings and from in there, just click on manage, click on leave family, and then click on the button again in order to confirm it. Now, once you have left the family safety settings should be disabled altogether. Now into this, you can also remove yourself from the family group by going to family.microsoft.com and select the leave family group option and then click on the remove to confirm this change that you have made. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.